In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Canva project size to A4. Whether you're designing a flyer, a brochure, or any other print material, ensuring your design is in the correct dimensions is crucial. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to canva.com. If you haven't already, sign in using your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located in the upper right corner of the home page. Canva offers several ways to sign in. You can use your Google account, Facebook, or simply log in with your email. If you're new to Canva, you might need to set up an account first, but it's straightforward and only takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, locate the design you wish to resize. Perhaps you're working on an existing project, or maybe you've just started a new one. Either way, click to open the design you want to adjust. Now you'll want to turn your attention to the top left corner of the Canva interface where you'll find the resize and magic switch button. This tool is going to make resizing your design a breeze. Go ahead and click on it. A drop down menu will appear giving you a range of options. For this task you'll want to select custom size. When you're in the custom size menu, it's crucial to ensure that the unit of measurement is set to millimeters, as we're aiming to resize to A4 dimensions. So if it's not already, switch it to mm. This ensures precision, especially for print purposes, where the right dimensions are vital. Next, input the dimensions for A4, set the width to 210mm and the height to 295mm. Double check to make sure these numbers are correctly entered. A4 is a standard size used worldwide, so it's important to get it right. After entering the dimensions, you'll see a Continue button. By clicking this, your design will automatically adjust to the new A4 size. Canva will resize everything accordingly, maintaining the integrity of your design while fitting it to the new dimensions. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've resized your Canva project to A4. This method is incredibly efficient, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your designs. Remember, proper sizing is key to achieving a professional look, especially in print. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now able to confidently resize any design you create in Canva.